Hi Stallions, so this week we are going to be learning something different and we're going to start with our vocabulary, and our TEKS for the week is going to be 3.7D, which is our I can statement. I can determine when it is appropriate to use measurements of liquid volume, capacity, or weight. And so Ms. Grigsby did the video for weight and you guys, and I am doing the video for liquid volume for you guys. So the vocabulary for those are capacity, which is the amount a container can hold, and then liquid volume is the amount of space a liquid occupies. Okay, so now we're going to go into the actual measurements. So the actual measurements are customary and metric. Those are the different measurements that we have. And I'm going to start here at the bottom um, because it's going from smallest to largest there. And so right here where it says 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces, and fluid ounces is smaller than a cup. So 8 of these things right here. So come, if you look at these small things right here, so 8 of these will equal 1 cup. And so then we're going to move to bigger ones, which is going to be the 2 cups. So 2 of these cups right here, 2 regular cups, will give you 1 pint. So that'll give you 1 of these, 2 to 1. And then our next one is going to be the quart. So there's a cup that's smaller, so fluid ounces, then a cup, then there's going to be a pint, and then a quart. And so a quart is going to equal 2 pints. So 2 of these pints right here, these little water bottles, is going to give you 1 quart. So like a carton of milk. So 1 quart will give you, is from 2 pints. And see, the last one is going to be our largest one in the customary system that you need to know, which will be 4 quarts equaling 1 gallon. So a gallon is like a big jug of milk right here. So this big jug of milk is going to equal 4 of these quarts right here. So 4 will give you 1 of those. And you see how it's like 2 of these will give you 8 of these will give you 1 of these. 2 of these will give you 2 of these cups right here will give you the pint, and they all add up with each other. And so we're going to use this to solve our problem for today. And then also we have our metric system. And so right here is our metric system, which is going to equal milliliters and liters. And so 1,000 milliliters, so they're really small. A milliliter is really, really small, like a droplet, will give you 1 liter. All right, so now going to our problem. It says Deidre has decided to buy a quart container of liquid detergent to refill a small container. Which measurement should Deidre use to find the liquid volume of the small container? All right, and the first thing you guys know that we're going to do is to circle our keywords, and our keywords are going to be a quart right here of liquid detergent, so that lets you know that you're measuring in liquid, to refill a small container. And then in the question, we are going to underline a question: which measurement should Deidre used to find the liquid volume of the small container? And then I am going to circle which measurement unit, because that's what they're looking for, which measurement unit. So which of those that we've just gone over. So the first thing that we can cross out, guys, we're going to start with our process of elimination with these questions. The first thing we can cross out is going to be gram, because grams is for weight. So a gram is for weight. It measures weight. And then we can also cross out a pound, because a pound also measures weight. So you don't need those. So now you're left with 2, which is going to be a cup and a liter. And honestly, you can use both, but for this question, you kind of, for anything, you want to use the ones closer to it. So we wouldn't use a fluid ounce to measure how to fill up a bigger bottle. So we're going to cross out cup also, because a cup would be too small for this bottle to fill up this one right here. So that's too much. So our answer is going to be liter, D. So a liter is going to be what they're going to use to find the liquid volume of the small container. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll be available to you guys Monday through Friday from 7:25 to 3:10. See you guys later.